Senior Leadership and Management Masterclasses.
When the therapist worked with the patient and asked them why they were here or what they wanted, they would proceed by telling the doctor or the psychotherapist, psychologist, psychiatrist what they didn't want. You ask your team what it is that they want, they might say something like, well, we don't want the same outcomes that we got last month. We don't want another downturn in performance, do we? I don't want my team handing resignations in next week. No. Tell me what you want. I just did. No, you didn't. You just told me what you didn't want. It's a natural phenomenon. Yeah. And I woke up to it when I started doing coaching, executive coaching, more on a more frequent basis about 15 years ago, about 2005, when I came out of Dale Carnegie. And I thought, right, okay, first question you ask, which is what you would ask when coaching someone on your team, what do you want in the context of the project, as opposed to how do you want this project to unfold? What do you want? So if you want the conversation to be efficient, you focus on the objective. Positively state the outcome. Okay, so you go back to that scenario, therapeutic model. What do you want? I've just told you. No, you haven't. You just told me what you don't want. Oh, did I? What do you want instead of those things? So that's what you'd ask for someone that is focused by the way of habit. You used the word habit before. To the point where they are unconscious and oblivious to the fact that this is part of their personality. They're always focusing in that direction, where they've come from, or they're focusing on problems, as opposed to the visionaries focusing on solutions. So positively state the outcome. What do you want as opposed to what you don't want? What else do you hear people in the workplace say that could be negatively phrased or negatively stated? And by the way, positive and negative, subjective terms, which is why I say constructively or destructively, or towards or away from, towards what they want or away from what they don't want. What do you hear people say when they talk about what they don't want? I don't want to be stressed. I don't want to go home late tonight. What else do you hear people say? I don't want to be in conflict. I don't want to work with Dean because he doesn't like me, and I know he's going to say some things to me that will upset me.
Yeah, I don't have the time to do that.
I don't have the time to do. I don't have the time refers to resources as opposed to the outcome.
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.